Hello everyone!
I know that you've been waiting for another color day. So here it is orange. Let's learn to spell orange. O R A N G E. Let's play a color game. I taste sweet and juicy. I smell fruity. I feel rough and wet. I look like a bumpy ball. What am I?
Orange.
Hey, wow, you are correct. It is orange. Orange color got its name from this fruit. Now we will learn the things that are orange.
Orange balloon. Orange chair. Orange mug. Orange clock. Orange juice. Orange candy. Orange bath. Orange starfish. Orange bird. Orange shorts. Orange butterfly. Orange door. Orange book. Orange pen. Orange jacket. Orange bicycle. Orange car. Orange goggles. Orange pencil. Orange pumpkin. Orange fish. Orange marigold. Orange papaya. Orange maple leaf. Orange basketball. Orange. Orange sun.
This was all about of orange color objects. Now let's do orange color activity. Children, first take A4 size sheet and draw a picture of a carrot from top to bottom as I am doing here. And draw leaves at the side of the paper. After that, trace them with black color marker and cut the outline of carrot and its leaf with the help of your parents. Now we will mark dots with the help of ruler. So place it like this. There should be first dot on 7 inches and the second dot should be on 10 inches to fold this portion of the paper. So we will get a perfect shape of carrot. It's time to draw a bunny rabbit inside this portion. First draw a circle for face, 2 ears, 2 circle shaped eyes, 1 nose and 2 sharp teeth. Children, don't forget to draw whiskers too. Now it's ready. So trace this image with black color marker and color it nicely with pink color crayon. Children, make sure that rabbit should not be visible when we fold this carrot. At last, we will color the carrot with orange color crayon and leaves with green color crayon. Children, you have to color only the top and the bottom portion of this carrot, not this hidden portion. Okay, so be careful about it. Now, paste these leaves with carrot. At last, paste the carrot on the sheet. You have to paste only the bottom portion of the carrot. Okay, so apply the glue only on the bottom portion of the carrot and paste it on the paper. So this way our origami carrot is ready. Let's write the spelling of carrot, that is C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Wow! The bunny rabbit loves carrot. You also prepare your sheet and send it to us soon. Bye bye. Have a nice day.